following segment of Daytime Buffalo is sponsored by Bryant and Stratton College. Today we're stopping by our sponsor's downtown location at Bryant and Stratton College. I'm sitting down with John Trito from Bryant and Stratton College and John Owens from Finger Lakes Performing Provider Systems. Thank you so much for inviting us out here because there's an exciting partnership happening between you two that is going to create a lot more opportunities for Western New Yorkers looking to get into the health force, right?
Absolutely.
Alrighty, let's jump right in. Tell us a little bit about the Career Pathways Grant and what this is going to mean for us Western New Yorkers.
We at FLIPS received funding from New York State to provide education, tuition, books, and scrubs we pay for students. And then in turn, they, at the end of when they graduate and then either receive their certification or their licensure, agree to work in New York State for 3 years in that title. So it's really an incredible program. And Bryant and Stratton is an incredible partner of ours. What we have at FLIPS is educational case managers that assist the students throughout the entire process. So from the very beginning, when they fill out their interest form on our website, healthcareersnow.org/CPT, students go there, they hit the button that says interest form, and they fill out an interest form. And as soon as they fill out their interest form, they come into our system, and then they are assigned an educational case manager. They help with FAFSA, TAP, they just help them get all set up. The student then fills out an application, puts in their acceptance letter from the school, and then they're accepted by us into the program, and then they start their schooling.
And what programs through Bryant and Stratton College work with this grant?
So our medical assisting program is one that works with the grant. We've really enjoyed our partnership with FLIPS. We as an institution do many of the same services that FLIPS also provides those students. We really have a nice wraparound support for students to be able to come in, start their program in medical assisting, receive funding to help pay for it. So Chelsea, we take a real important thing out of the equation, and that is affordability.
Right.
And that's something that really knocks people off of their educational journey often. We've been able to take that out of the equation with this program, and it really has been wonderful for our students.
And how has the students' reaction been, and as far as their interest and success in the programs?
Yeah, so both have been very high. So interest has been very high. John knows that. We're on the phone with him regularly. Got more students. On a very practical level, students are retaining term to term at a higher rate than they have. The graduation rate in the medical assisting program is going to grow as a result of having this funding available. And as I said, having both our institution and FLIPS providing those support services to students is really making a difference. And ultimately, it's going to serve the Western New York community. Yeah. We're filling titles that are in demand out there, right? Especially healthcare. So it has been an absolute pleasure being part of this, and our students love it.
When is the next semester starting for students if they're looking to enroll?
Yeah, so January 14th is our next start. So there is time, but students should act quickly if they're interested. They can contact through FLIPS, as John noted, or they can contact us right here at Bryant and Stratton, and we will help them through the process. We'll get them to that link. We work hand in hand with the students to walk them through the process to make sure they have everything covered to start.
What does it mean for FLIPS to be partnered with Bryant and Stratton College and working with them and working with their students to get more people into the health force?
Oh, it means a great deal. And I forgot to mention earlier that one of the other wonderful things about this program is once the student graduates and gets their certificate or licensure and moves into the workforce, they are required to work at providers that are attested through us, and the providers have to serve at least 30% Medicaid patients or uninsured. So it's really such a wonderful thing for the communities as well, because we're helping the underserved or the uninsured. And Bryant and Stratton has just been an incredible partnership. So we also have success coaches that work at FLIPS who help students that might be struggling a little bit or struggling with grades or with work-life balance or even school. Home balance. So our success coaches help with those things, but Bryant and Stratton is right there every step of the way, and they have a lot of and they offer some of the same services that we do, helping the students it's really just been a great partnership.
Yeah, it's a great program. One more time, where can our viewers go if they are interested in signing up?
So they can go to healthcareersnow.org/CPT. We actually have an informational webinar January 7th at 11 a.m. and they can get the information for that and sign up for that on that website. And we're really excited to continue this program and the partnership with Bryant and Stratton.
Absolutely. Alrighty, well, thank you so much for sitting down with me and sharing more about this program. Viewers, this could be the moment you decide to change your careers and pivot, and it could start right here at Bryant and Stratton College. You can learn more about this Careers Pathway program through Finger Lakes Performing Provider System by visiting healthcareersnow.org/CPT. This segment is sponsored by Bryant and Stratton College.